Hi guys, it's finally Sunday. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever collaboration with fellow artist Gail Burstyn of Life in Splatters and Mina Villegas. And I am super excited for this opportunity, and we've teamed up together and decided that we were going to create some fantastical creatures just for you guys. Now, I've never done a fantastical creature, and if you haven't gotten a chance to check out Gail Burstyn's Life in Splatters YouTube channel, she does some fantastic work. I like my paints on the thicker side of things. And doing this technique, I had to really thin down my paints to a specific consistency. Too thin would make it dry, cracked and brittle. Too thick, and the fantastical creature would not come to life. So, with that being said, definitely more difficult than I had expected, but I'm more than pleased with the final results. The other artist, Mina Villegas, she is the queen of large pores. If you have not got a chance to see her channel, you really gotta take some time and scoot on over there and give her some love too. She does beautiful work on large scale canvases most of the time. She has an infectious smile and a great HOA that has traveled with her along on this journey. So stay tuned through this video as we peek in on Gail and Mina's work in progress, and be sure to check out their video links at the end of this video and in the video description, and show them some love and support by subscribing and commenting. I do hope you enjoy. I do want you to know that the colors we'll be using today are Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt, Art Minds Peridot, PBO Dyna Iridescent Blue Green, Chroma Molten Metal Copper, and PBO Iridescent Gold mixed with Golden's Iridescent Gold Fine. Have a great day.
Okay, I like that part. We're going to come up in here now, and we're going to work on this side. Okay, right through here, through the middle of these cells. And we're going to come up. Do that. Good. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Right through here, yeah? Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright, now I'm going to come out through this side. I'm going to drag this out this way. And this out this way. And one more small one in through here. Okay, that's pretty cool. And we're going to do the same thing over here. Ready? That's pretty cool. All right. Is it taking shape yet? All right. I'm going to come up here. Ready? I'm going to go just like this.
Hi, this is Gail from Life in Splatters, and this is a collaboration with two of my fantastical friends. My friends Mina Villegas and Mack decided to give my fantastical creatures a try. I have to say they're very, very quick learners, and they both did an amazing job, and I'm very pleased to call them my friends. As you can see, the fantastical creatures start with an open cup pour. My paints are medium thickness, not a mound on a mound on a mound, but a mound that sticks around a little bit, then disappears, and only mixing paint with Floetrol to the right consistency. One of the big tricks in being successful with fantastical creatures is to not add too much paint. You're adding very thin layers into that open cup, and I alternate my colors with black to give more definition and depth.
right, here we are. We're outside in the natural light. You might hear some ducks in a few minutes, but this is the final result of the dried piece, and I am in love with him. He is so sweet. I just wanted to tell you right now that I am completely honored for being included or asked to be included in this collaboration with Mina Villegas and Gail Burstyn. It is my first collaboration, and hopefully some more will come to follow. But this one, oh, so amazing. It was so much fun to do a fantastical creature, and I couldn't be more honored to be friends with these lovely ladies. So with that being said, Cheryl, if you are watching, let Mark know he's finally got an elephant. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out Mina Villegas' video as well as Gail Burstyn's video. They are in the video description. They have completely different videos going on their page right now, and it would be wonderful if you would send them some love, watch their video, and subscribe to their channels. I know Gail is new to YouTube. She's got a smaller following than I do, but it would be really wonderful if you guys could go over and hit subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.